Myntri Katana General Administration Department ka Khuborjylla uba Sostenes Sotun mentagasngi ulalait ban Jurip ya Meghalaya House kabron Vellore kabalakala long kawaini ki jaka bakong samtam na kabenta kinong Meghalaya kabajulit pa Sumar ha CMC Vellore. Habakren hadin ka jing Jurip Myntri ulait hu banamar bay ka house kalarim kumta menta kidang penkre ban temu ban teino dak house ka bathamai hang tei ka bakham he bat ka bakham bon kamra ban Pynsuk ikinong pang na kajela ki bajulet pha Sumar hakatei kajela.
Myself as the minister, along with the officers, commissioners, secretary, and the OSD, and all with the building department, and all the staff who are working here in the Meghalaya House below. We are having the inspection. At the same time, we are having a review meeting where we could take certain decisions with regards to the conditions of the Meghalaya House here at Vellore. And as you know, Meghalaya House Vellore is a very old building, and the total number of rooms we have approximate 13 number of rooms where patients from our state, from Meghalaya, they used to come for treatment in the CMC Vellore, where many of the patients, and we have also visited some of the patients where they are really happy, getting the accommodation here in the Meghalaya House Vellore, where they are getting the benefits where from this house itself, it has given to the people of our state. And the number of patients, it has increased from one year to another. And in the 2025, we have crossed 212 patients, where patients and attendants, they are really happy to have this Meghalaya House here at Vellore, because maximum of the patients, they used to come for treatment here in Vellore. And the service where the staff who are working here and the service from the rooms which they are getting, the patients, they are really happy with that. And I would also like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister and the government of Meghalaya for providing the transportation also for the patients. And, we have only given the vehicles to ferry to transport the patients in the morning and then coming back in the evening, where they have to go for treatment. And then they are really, they have safe, economically, they have safe, because the vehicles, it's a free of cost, which they can go from the Meghalaya House to Vellore and then coming back. And this is the time where we have to, as the government, we have to take the decision where, according to the report from the engineer, from the building, that the building condition here in Vellore, in Meghalaya House Vellore, the condition is very bad, and we have to take decisions, and we have to hire the new guest house so that we can accommodate the patients who are coming from Shillong, who are coming for treatment here in CMC Vellore. And from next month, we will be shifting. I hope we'll be shifting where we could help patients to stay there in the guest house. And with the decision to shift the patients means like we have to also take the decision to construct the new Meghalaya House here in Vellore, where we are seeking the help of the government from the planning and then the finance, that if we could get the approval for the construction of new building, that will be of more help to the people who are coming for treatment here in Vellore, where the total number of present room we have 13, and then it will be tripling the number of the present room which we are having, which we can accommodate more patients to stay here in the Meghalaya House Vellore. Yeah.